Hello everyone, here we come on to the topic marginal rate of substitution MRS. Marginal rate of substitution. The rate of substitution of one good for another is known as MRS. Marginal rate of substitution means कि अगर हमें एक गुड की कंजम्पशन बढ़ानी है तो दूसरा कितना सैक्रिफाइस करेंगे. That means if you have to raise one good and if to raise the consumption of good X for example, तो good Y आप कितना sacrifice करोगे. The rate, the speed at which you sacrifice the other good and you substitute the other good is known as marginal rate of substitution. So the first point says MRS of good X for good Y is change in good Y upon change in good X. Second point says it needs to be noted that change in good Y upon change in good X is slope of indifference curve. IC का slope कभी भी आपसे पूछा जाएगा तो MRS will be the answer. This is important for your MCQ. Third point says mind that marginal rate of substitution is the basis of indifference curve analysis. indifference curve की जितनी भी shapes बनेंगी वो सब MRS पे depend होंगी. Now what is diminishing marginal rate of substitution? First point says since marginal utility of good X goes on falling with every increase in unit of X, therefore consumer will be willing to sacrifice lesser quantity of good Y for obtaining additional unit of good X. गुड एक्स की कंजम्पशन बढ़ाते बढ़ाते गुड एक्स से सेटिस्फैक्शन कम होने लगेगी ड्यू टू लॉ ऑफ डीएमयू, लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी विच वी हैव डन अर्लियर. अगर हमें गुड एक्स से सेटिस्फैक्शन कम मिल रही है सो नाउ इफ़ वी आर विलिंग कि हमें गुड वाई को बढ़ाना है या गुड एक्स को चेंज करना है, सो नाउ कम ऑन टू द फर्स्ट पॉइंट अगेन. Since marginal utility of good X goes on falling with every increase in unit of X, therefore, now this is important, consumer will be willing to sacrifice lesser quantity of good Y. Y को कम sacrifice करेंगे to obtain X because हमें अब X से same way में utility नहीं मिल रही. So this is how diminishing MRS works. Second point says, hence we can say that marginal rate of substitution MRS is always diminishing. So IC के केस में it's a normal fact. IC के केस में MRS हमेशा आपको diminishing ही मिलेगा. Generally it diminishes but it can also have different behavior which we are going to do ahead. Note that the consumer's equilibrium MRS must be equal to the ratio of prices of two goods, that is price of X upon price of Y. This is the major condition of your consumer equilibrium through IC. Now we have come to the first behavior of MRS, that is diminishing MRS, and diminishing MRS is the general behavior in case of IC. Now we can see that through the following schedule: combination A B C D E E, then good X increases from 1 to 5 and consumption of good Y decreases from 15 to 1. Now you can see the MRS. MRS is the ratio of change in good Y upon change in good X. So now we can find the MRS in following way: 15 minus 10, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 is to 1. 10 minus 6, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 is to 1. Similarly, 3 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. So now you can see that MRS is falling from 5 is to 1 to 2 is to 1. The same thing when you plot on diagram, we take good Y on x-axis and consumption of good X on y-axis. Now we have got IC curve and you can see the shape of the curve that is convex to origin, bulging part towards origin पे दिख रहा है आपको. So whenever आपका MRS diminishing होगा तब हमेशा आपका जो IC है वो convex to origin बनेगा. So DMRS means when less and lesser units of good Y are sacrificed in order to consume one more unit of good X. So that is what DMRS stands for, diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Next is constant MRS. Now we see the schedule in the similar way: combination A, B, C, D and E. Good X increases from 1 to 5, good Y decreases from 15 to 11. Now if you find out MRS, 15 minus 14, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now the MRS comes as 1 is to 1. In other case, 14 minus 13, 1. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 is to 1. Similarly, we get MRS as 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1 and 1 is to 1. So MRS is constant, and now in the same diagram again we are taking good Y on x-axis and consumption of good X on y-axis. We have got IC which is a straight line. So the shape of curve is straight line downward sloping curve from left to right. So you'll get a straight line whenever you have constant MRS, and constant MRS means the following line: when equal number of units of good y are sacrificed again and again to consume one more unit of good x. Now we come on to the third behavior of MRS, that is increasing MRS. Again combination A, B, C, D and E. Good X increases from 1 to 5, good Y decreases from 15 to 5. MRS comes like 1 is to 1, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 1 in the similar previous ways. And now if you plot the same thing on diagram, taking good Y on X axis, taking good X on Y axis, you will get IC, which is concave to origin now. The bulge of the curve is opposite to the origin and the concave part is towards the origin. So shape of IC, concave to origin. And what is the meaning of increasing MRS is shown through the last line. When more and more unit of good Y will be sacrificed in order to produce one more unit of good X. एक गुड एक्स की यूनिट बढ़ाने के लिए हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गुड वाई को सैक्रिफाइस करना शुरू कर देंगे. दिस मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग MRS. एंड द सेम थिंग यू कैन सी इन द अबव शेड्यूल. जब हम गुड एक्स को बढ़ा रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन वी कम फ्रॉम कॉम्बिनेशन B to C, हमने गुड एक्स को 1 यूनिट से बढ़ाया लेकिन गुड वाई को हमने 2 यूनिट से सैक्रिफाइस किया. दैट मीन्स हमें गुड एक्स इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है कि हम गुड वाई को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए रेडी हैं. दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग MRS. And this is entirely opposite of diminishing MRS, and diminishing MRS is the general case in case of IC. I hope you enjoyed the video by Ridhima Sharma classes. For more videos, kindly visit our website acadher.com. Thank you.